Greetings from Breviksbadet in Tyresö. It is 17th of August 2024 and beach day number 121 of my Sweden beach adventures. And it is my first time this year on this beach, but I have been here last year and the year before, obviously. So it has a small sandy beach, this one over here, as well as a jetty that stretches from sauna that's members only out on the Baltic Sea. So that part of the beach there is a bit of a closed sea area, and over here we have a bit more open sea, and this one is in Tyresö, Breviksbadet. And yes, to get here it took me around 25 kilometers with my cube, and as it is Saturday over here and I usually take longer rides on the sea, that's why I took the cube with my cycling shoes as well. So the sea looks absolutely stunning indeed, and here you can also basically jump, I can see as well, and there is even steps to get into the water. So yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I'm showing you new beach locations in Stockholm every day. And on the 7th of August, Saturday, I am out for a beach adventure in Tyresö over here. It is currently 20 degrees Celsius in the air and it is 18 degrees Celsius in the sea. So it feels like it's going to be a very nice swim indeed. All right, the sun is up and let's go in for a swim. Amazing. What a wonderful swim in the Baltic Sea here at Breviksbadet. Oh, so nice and so convenient, especially with a jetty like this one. But you can obviously use the beach as well on the other side, that I think is a bit warmer compared to here. But this is open sea, however today is rather steady in the sea. So yes, Saturdays are for long cycling beach adventures out on the open sea, and August is delivering nice weather for sure. And yes, today is gonna be 2 kilometers of bicycle ride, at least 50 kilometers, and then I'm gonna be chilling a bit here out on the sea. I can actually stand here, so it was a great idea not to jump because it is not that deep actually. Cool, then we can wrap up from Breviksbadet with this lovely view of this beach spot in Tyresö. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.